Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new week of distance learning. Today, in this video, we're going to be reviewing what we're going to be doing this week. So first time, we're very excited to tell you that we're going to be having more time together. From this week on, we're going to be meeting every Monday in a whole class meeting. And again, we're going to be having the same whole class meetings every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, we add a new check-in times. So you're going to be meeting with me on Tuesdays and Thursdays with Amy. And this is a very good opportunity to talk to us about anything you want to talk. So you can talk to us if you're not understanding something in the lesson plan, for example, in science, in word study, in literacy, or math. This is a very good time to talk to us about the lesson plan. Also, if you want to talk to us about how you're feeling and you want to share something with us, this is a very good time to talk. So you're going to find this form the day before our check-in times. So for example, if you want to talk to me on Tuesday, you're going to find this form on Mondays, and then you're going to fill out this and you're going to say, what do you need help with specifically? Okay. This is going to help us know how can we help you better. And if you want to talk to Amy on Thursday, you need to do the same. You need to fill out this form every Wednesday. Okay. If you feel that you're okay with the lesson plan and you're feeling fine this week, you don't need to come to this meeting, okay? It's only in case you want to talk to us about something in particular. Okay, then we're going to be doing in writing. We're going to be sorting questions into subtopic areas. We're going to be focusing in habitat, life cycle, and the appearance of the animal. And we're going to be generating questions using bullet points, and then we're going to use that information to write more details about our animal that we're looking for. Okay, in reading, we're going to be learning how to scan over text, and this is going to help us to find out the main idea and details. In math, we're going to be working with place value. We're going to be exploring different ways to make a number. And we're going to be also working about how to decompose numbers into hundreds, tens, and ones. In science, we're going to be continuing working with our animal adventure, and we're going to be exploring as a detective different sounds that the frogs make. Okay, friends, this is what we're going to be doing this week. Again, anything you need, please let us know and we can help you in whatever you need, okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a great week of learning.